We're drawing a fish today. And what's the first letter of fish?
F.
Good. That's correct. So F is for fish. Alright, so let's go ahead and start. So from somewhere here in the middle, are you with me? Draw a downward curve like this. Good. And another one from under and then join at this point. It's fine. Then from here, you draw another curve to come here. All right. And let's add the tail. Okay, so from here, draw an upward curve. Yeah, go ahead.
I'll do it from here.
Yes, do it from there. Curve it out. And also here as well. Then draw like a C. Shape like a C. Good, that's fine. Then let's draw a big eye for the fish.
The big eye for fish.
Yes, and then add a mouth. Good, that's fine. Let's add a fin.
He is happy because he is eating babies.
Yeah, baby what? No, maybe it doesn't eat babies. Maybe, I don't know. It's fish food.
What? Do him eat plants too?
Yeah, fish eats plants. Alright, so let's add the fin. Okay, are you seeing what I've done?
The fin! Yay!
Yeah, the fin at the top. And do the same at the bottom.
Yay, a fin!
Good. Then let's add a zigzag shape. And let it touch at the bottom. Another one here. Easy. And then the last one, are you seeing what I'm doing? Don't do it so big. If it is so big, it doesn't look fine. Alright. Okay, this is nice. So what are we going to do now? We need to color it. Good. So, yeah, you like coloring? That's good. Which color are we using?
Pink.
Pink, good.
Pink.
So let's use pink. So we color this part pink. So you're coloring here pink. You can keep the cover. Once you're done, then you take it and cover it again. So you color here, yeah, pink, this area. Make sure you trace out, okay, the inner corners of the, what?
Do you want to color your eyes?
No, don't color the eyes for now.
No, not
my eyes.
Not the fish eyes. Your eyes.
No.
Yes, your eyes have to be all colored because you are fish.
Do I look like a fish?
Yes.
No, I don't look like a fish. Okay, let's keep going.
Daddy, I'm coloring fast.
Yeah, color fast. You know, you're having a larger area to cover.
My
Your
own
fish
is big.
is big.
Yours is tiny. You don't have a lot of space. Yours is tiny like this.
I have a little one.
Yours is tiny like
Alright, so keep going so that you can meet up with yours. Because you have a long way to go. Mine is small, so but yours is small. So you need to color faster than I. Okay, do you like a pink color?
I like the rainbow color, but I like pink.
You like pink as well?
Yeah.
Good. And almost all your clothes are pink in color.
But not
Even your
all
shoes.
of them.
Yes, not all, some.
Some of them, like my butterfly clothes.
Yeah, your butterfly clothes, okay. Okay, and also your shoes. You have pink shoes.
Oh, and it's the one with a net and breeze can come inside is Mickey Mouse and it's pink and it has Mickey Mouse on it.
Okay, that's nice. Wow, the fish is taking shape. It's looking fine.
Daddy, my fish looks like him is happy.
Yeah, the fish is a happy fish.
He is happy because somebody's making him better.
This area, yeah, you're making him better. You're making him feel happy. That's why he's happy. You're giving him a
because Me is coloring him.
Yeah. So what's the next color we use?
Light blue. Yay, light blue. I'm using light blue.
Okay.
The fish needs light blue.
The fish needs a light blue. That's good.
Then when I'm done with light blue, can I use this one?
You can use another one. It's blue. Well, maybe we'll use another color instead of blue again. We'll use another color again.
Okay, we can use this a different day.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Yeah.
do you want to color your body?
Keep going.
Do you want to color your body all blue?
No.
Yes. If you color it all blue, you will be like strawberry, blue strawberry.
Oh, strawberry is not blue. Okay, blue strawberry. Have you seen a blue strawberry before?
Maybe.
I've not seen it.
Maybe
Keep going.
raspberry, maybe a grape. You have to be a blue grape.
Okay, maybe.
I'll color you all blue grape.
That'll be funny.
Mommy
Be
laugh at
careful,
mommy
so-
laugh at you. You all blue. Mommy, why you all blue?
Yeah, I'll be all blue. I'll be looking funny. I'll be looking like a clown.
And you can't take any bath.
Oh, no, I will take baths to wash it off.
You're not. You have to wear it. That is your costume.
Oh, it's a costume. Okay. A blue costume. Okay, so which other color are we using now?
We can use purple.
Anyone. If you want purple, let's use purple. All right.
Oh, you want oopsie.
Let's go.
See, which what color?
You've colored it somewhere else. Okay.
Is
Then
it
start
okay?
coloring. It's okay. It's fine. Does not affect your drawing or your painting
Oh my.
or your fish.
Daddy, do you want to color your body purple?
No.
But if you color your body all the rainbow, your body will be so beautiful and so funny.
Okay, the rainbow colors. Okay, maybe I can consider that one day. I will wear a costume of rainbow color, of different colors.
Like,
Be careful.
are you going to
Watch where you-
paint your body like this?
Yeah, different colors.
Okay, wait, I'm
Alright,
not done.
Keep going. I can see you're not done. You still have a long way to go.
Why are you starting my page?
Sorry, I was trying to let it stay well so it doesn't fall off. So keep going.
Are
Alright.
you almost done?
Yeah, I do like purple.
Yes,
Yes, I can see some of your clothes too are purple.
but not all of them.
Not awesome. Your shoes too. We have purple shoes. Good. Are you done?
Yes, use
Fine.
a different color
So
for
which
this.
color are we using?
Maybe yellow.
Let's use yellow. Yellow is fine. Alright, so yellow, here we come.
Yellow.
Yeah.
I will come you color you all yellow.
Yes, we color here yellow. Yellow is so bright.
And yellow's like the sun.
Yes, yellow like the sun. That's good. Are you done? Almost done?
Yes, I'm done now. Wait, is Annie going back? Oh, yeah. It's like a fishy. It's
Yeah.
in the pool.
Yes, it's a pet fish. This is a pet fish. Alright, so what do we use to color the fin?
Green.
Green, okay, let's go.
Green for the tail.
Yeah, let's use green for the tail
And
and
the face too.
and the fin. No, the fin, the tail and this fin. We use green for them.
It's not too long.
Yes, your tail is short.
I'm done with my
Are you
tail.
done already? Then also
Oh, I found
also this one, the fins.
the fins.
Yes. Color the fins.
I want to color it quickly because I want to win.
No, it's not about winning. It's about doing it well. So it to be fine. Okay. Alright, so which color are we going to use next? Let's use the blue color to add a dot in the eye.
We use it for this.
Yes, let's use it for the eyes.
Okay.
Let's make a dot in the eyes. Just a dot.
Beautiful.
Just a dot.
A dot.
Good. And then which color do you want us to use to color the face of the fish now?
Maybe red.
Red, okay. Let's use red. Red is fine.
Red is bright too.
Yes, red is bright.
Sometimes I see red in my school.
You see red in your school?
Yeah.
What is having red color in your school?
Maybe some Legos are red.
Oh.
Legos.
Okay. That's good. Are you done? Almost done?
No.
Alright.
My red is not working a bit.
Alright, it's working. Be careful so the red doesn't go into the eyes.
Oh, my red is almost finished.
No, we have a lot of red colors. Keep going.
What you came?
It's okay. It must not be perfect.
Done.
You're done. Wow!
But we
This is a beautiful
use some
fish.
colors.
It's okay.
You
cannot use all the color.
Use this color.
You cannot use all the colors. Alright, so which fish do you think is better? The two of them? It's fine. So, you said when we started that F is for fish. So, can you write F?
F is for fish.
Can you write F? The letter F? So, write letter F. And you're using orange color to do that. Wow, that's wonderful.
You did not do yours.
That's alright.
Yet.
With this. Wow, this is fine. So friends, we've come to the end of this video. Okay, and we want you to subscribe to our channel and keep coming back to our channel to watch our videos. So Summer, what do you say?
Subscribe to the channel.
Okay, and
see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See you in another video. Thank you and bye.